Y'all, hello. Viste kaj je dan? MOFUCON. Bitch, let's go. Oh my god, ko mi sem čakala. Also, včeraj sem šele dobila email da, guess what? Jaz sem na cosplay tekmovanju po 4 letih, so me končno sprejel. Y'all, you ain't getting rid of me, bitch. Ne, pač dejansko, hvala lepa. I am so fucking excited. Cosplayom Luka is Alien Stage. We're missing my Hyuna, ampak se vidimo čez par ur, tako da...
With my bestie like everything fun. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy.
Some girl out here taking a shower. I'm like... I'm fucking vlogging.
Oh my god.
Temu verzija Hyune i look at that.
Hey guys, I'm gonna kill myself.
But say what? We look kinda smash.
Do we? Adio, adio.
Hyuna and Luka escaped Alien Stage, guys. Ja, vi ste moja verzija. Smash, oh my god. Oh my god, look at my wife, y'all. Which chapter of Alien Stage is this? Yeah, bitch, what the fuck? They're only in Ljubljana, guys. Only in Ljubljana. We are in this bitch. I'll wait. Do a spin, do a spin. Yes, 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 yes. Najdla sva pri judging in zdaj tukaj čakamo. I am nervous as hell. By the way, oči me bolijo zelo. Update! Jaz nisem od pri judginga nič snemala, ampak zdaj smo imeli photoshoot. With her. Yes, queen. Ona je prišla. A ta stari, Lenka. Pač zdaj smo freezali to death, zdaj grem pa med kval nastop and that's basically it, kar se je zgodilo.
Kupla si.
Kupla sem. Kaj sem že kupla?
Hyuna in Luka.
Ja, art, pa skincare. That's it, bitch. Now we go get Papa, after that we get fucked up.
Don't be afraid. Soon you will look just like me. Beautiful.
Sorry, it's up my ass.
I'm afraid that everything will disappear. Just trust me. She said, baby, come for me. There's not a better thing here tonight. The savior reasons I'm gonna make you stay with me a little while. Watch me go, you know I think
smo, čakamo na to podelitev za te cosplaye, da lahko pol jaz grem ven iz tega. And we go, it's over. Oh my god. Majhina.
Glej, kakva so.
Girl, you look fine.
Guys,
I
ne
look-
moje usence. Tok imam napihane. I'm gonna get sick. Bitch, that means I'm gonna get sick.
We'll share some of the sickness. Anyway.
Glej, kako so stari moj.
Zakaj je to?
Asja, no. Lega.
Lega,
Lega
kakva
zumeš,
sem
lega
stari.
stari.
Lega stari.
Jaz sem prestreznala tu stari.
That's what I'm saying. Stari.
Gremo ga piti.
Ela, rekli so ob 7, zdaj je že tako 13 čas. Where the fuck? We are trying to get fucked up. Let's go. Finally. Oh my god. Yes, queen. You done did that. You done did that, bitch. Let's go.
Neke kurbe žure, vse v imenu te kulture in nikoli te ne zmanjka, zato konstantno nucam, ker tu če tankam se do maksa, te vseeno lahko zrucam.
Hello, naslednji dan sem dejansko pozabila snemat, pač I was in the moment, ok. Po konu sve šle jaz pa še ena moja prijateljica pač tako, like, partying and shit. Tako da tudi tam nisem veliko snemala for obvious reasons. Pol smo imeli tako kinda like a sleepover pri meni. In, ja, zdaj je šla and I'm left alone. And it's over. Everything's over. Ne vem, kaj naj s svojim lifeom. Ful je bilo fajn drugač, like, šli smo na photoshoot, jaz pa Eva sve snemale TikToke, competition, fire as fuck. Edino kar tako ful ni bil velik artist alley. I swear to god, girl. Tako nisem kupila veliko stvari, ampak prvo da pokažem to. My friend mi je dala tale pač Jimin figure thingy, Tiny Tan or whatever, ker so ga imeli v Macu, right? Like, jaz ga nikoli nisem dobila, ona mi ga je pa vzela, which, like, that's amazing. I can't believe she did that. I'm shook. Hvala ti drugač, ful, I love you so much, girl. Vzela sem si basically pač zdaj na konu, kar sem si vzela, bil ta fucking glow pad. Tis nek skincare bullshit, like, a veš, Korean stuff, imajo neko, neke vatice so in jih pol daš na faco, so I got this. Like, to je bilo to. In pol sem Prince od Luka, pa pač hjune tam roke, you know, še tole. In to je bilo basically it. And my friendica also, she is such a sweet fucking human being. Oh my god. Napisala mi je tako personalized letter. Meni je pač napisala tako, I cried, ko sem to prebrala. Like, tukaj se to piše and it's super fucking sweet. Jaz, ko sem ga prebrala, I teared up. I'm not gonna lie. I teared up. Ja, to je to. Pač jaz vedno toliko appreciatam, ko mi kdorkoli karkoli da. Bitch, če bi mi dal kamen, če je od tebe, girl, I would save that shit until I die, you know. Tako da. Until then, Luna out. Okay, not for real though, bye bye. I love you guys. Thank you.